Sir, very happy afternoon to all. Sir, this video is the course details for the coming batch, which is January 25 examination. With God's grace, we are done with our September examination. Those who have completed your G1 will be looking for G2 classes. And if you have tried first G2, then you will be looking for G1 classes. So how and who is going to handle the subject in A&M classes for the coming Jan 25 is what this video is all about. We know that there are two groups are there, group 1 and group 2. Because of time shortage, any student cannot opt for both the groups. That means if you are joining for January examination, student cannot opt for both the groups because we will not be able to provide you the coaching, and even also for you, you can't revise and you can't write the both the groups. If you have already completed one group here itself or somewhere, then you can join for one group and you can happily study that group. This is the faculty team for Jan 25 exams, but for coming it will change. This is for Jan 25 exams. Advanced accounting, you know, that paper is the hero in group number 1, one of the most important paper. Every paper is important, but advanced accounting plays a major role now because of inclusion of so many accounting standards. It will be handled by 3 people. Number 1, myself. I will be taking 5 topics basically: amalgamation, internal reconstruction, branch accounts, buyback, and AS11, because AS11 and foreign branch are connected. And Karthik sir will be taking consolidated financial statements, and sir schedule 3 and some accounting standards, and the remaining accounting standards will be handled by E. Srinivas sir. He is a rank holder at both at inter level and also at the final level. This is the faculty team for advanced accounting. And for law, it is going to be handled by 2 people for this batch. One is Karthik Manikonda sir and other one is Priyadarshini ma'am. Actually, law, we are changing the strategy from this batch onwards. Like every day morning 7 to 9, we are going to have law classes for the first 2 months. And during crash time, you can once again listen to the law, then the grip or the writing practice in the law will be very level. So first it will be handled by Priyadarshini ma'am and fully taken by Karthik sir. That is the law. With regard to tax, both direct tax and indirect tax will be handled by myself for this batch. This is with regard to group number 1, my dear lovable students. If you are looking for G2, costing and FM, fully 100% will be handled by myself for this batch. Sir, 100%, all the chapters of costing and also all the chapters of FM I will be handling. And a big surprise or very happy news is, with regard to audit, it's an opportunity for all the students to attend Ramersha sir's face-to-face class. This time at A&M classes is going to take face-to-face for inter class. That he will not take for the next 1 or 2 batches because he will be busy with some other subjects. So this batch only he will be doing audit at CA inter level. Don't miss the opportunity. And SM will be handled by our Bharat sir. He's sir handling strategic management, 50 marks. This is the faculty team for the coming Jan examination. This is how we have scheduled our classes. Whether it is G1 or G2, we have scheduled our classes from morning 7 to 5:30, my dear lovable students. Morning 7 to 5:30, 7 to 9, one session will go, 10 to 1, another session will go, and 2 to 5 or 2 to 5:30, another session will go. Basically, we will try to complete all the 3 based upon the faculty's availability. And we have planned our classes to start by October 3rd. And surely after results, we will be conducting crash course. And those who are joining for regular, for them crash course will be free. there is only timing difference with regard to crash course. The number of hours what we take for crash and also for regular will be more or less the same. So there won't be much difference in the fees for crash and regular. So it's better to join earlier and study earlier, then you will be having some relaxation time. The crash is mainly for the students who have already written and failed. For them, if they want brush up, they can come and join the crash course. Sir, I want some breathing space or breathing time, better to join the regular class. That means it's a 3 months course. Crash course is basically a 1.5 months course. So a slight variation in fees will be there with regard to the crash course. And when you are joining for regular, the benefit what you will get is we will provide you daily assignments. And this batch we are planning test series at the end, because September was the first time. I think we have done extraordinarily well this time. Even our students also, we were able to complete everything on time, and we are making much more professional and pakka in the coming, because now we are used to it for the 3 months. Fine, fantastic to the core. So if we are going to write for Jan, my dear lovable students, why are you waiting? We can prepare together for this wonderful course from 3rd of the coming month. October, November and December. January you will be having revision time. 3 months of exhaustive classes, extensive classes. Fantastic, sir, preparation we can make. Conceptually we can learn. We can solve lot of question papers, RTP and MTP. Everything has added this time. Much professional and much in a very structured way. So I hope that we can meet in the live classes face to face. And if you are having any queries further, you can text to our admin to A&M classes. That number I will put in the description. So you can call them and you can inquire them. Or more, if you are having any more doubts regarding the classes, 960-500-1043. This is my number. You can personally text me, WhatsApp me, then I will reply to you because I may be in class. So I am wishing you all the very best for Jan examination. Prepare very well, study very well. January, God bless you is what I have to say. We'll meet at the appropriate time in face to face. Thank you. Bye bye from A&M.